On the next episode of Snacktastic Adventures,
I'm joined once again by the Keith, and we're gonna try some very random snacks today. Are you excited, Keith?
Yes, lots of foreign stuff that I can't pronounce. What are the bumps? Like, what are the bumps? Peanuts don't have bumps. On the package, it's showing balls shooting out of the candy. And I'm wondering if that's gonna happen inside my mouth. How do you extract natural cake batter flavor? Now, Leroy got me to try a lot of stuff that I would not try. And I am returning the favor.